Let's play Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. Now the playing pattern for a full bar is gonna be a left, right, left, left, right. Now for a half bar it's gonna be a left, right. Now let's play verse 1. Slowly, ready, C chord, go. Rudolph the red-nosed, C chord again. Reindeer. C chord. Had a very shiny G chord. Nose. G chord. And if you ever G chord saw it, G chord, you would even say it. C chord. Glows. C chord. All of the other C chord reindeer. C chord. Used to laugh and call him G chord. Names. G chord. They never let poor G chord Rudolph. G chord. Playing any reindeer. C chord. Games. Now let's play smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, and C chord. Rudolph the red-nosed, C chord. C chord. Had a very shy G chord. Nose. Still G. If you ever G chord saw it, G chord, you would even say it. C chord. Glows. C chord. All of the other C chord reindeer. Still C. Used to laugh and call G chord names. G chord. They never let poor Rudolph. Still on G. Playing any reindeer. C chord games. Now let's play the next part. Ready, F chord, and we go. Then 1 for G, C chord. Christmas Eve. Half a bar of D minor, center. Half a bar of G, King 2. 1 bar of C, say. G chord. Rudolph with your G chord. Nose so bright. D chord. Won't you guide my G chord sleigh tonight? So now let's play smoothly. Ready, F chord, go. Then 1 for G, C chord, Christmas Eve. Half a bar, D minor, center, King 2, say. C chord. G chord. Rudolph with your nose so bright. D chord. Won't you guide G chord sleigh tonight? Now let's play the last part. Slowly, ready, C chord, go. Then how the reindeer, C chord, loved him. C chord. As they shouted out with G chord, glee. G chord. Rudolph the red-nosed, G chord, reindeer. Still on G, you go down in history. C chord, ring. Now let's play smoothly. Last part, 1, 2, C chord, go. Then how the reindeer loved him. Still on C, as they shouted out with G chord, glee. Still G, Rudolph the red-nosed, G chord, reindeer. Still on G, you go down in history. C chord. Now let's play the full song. Ready, C chord, go. Rudolph the red-nosed, C chord, reindeer. Still C. Had a very shiny G chord nose. And G. And if you ever saw it, still on G, you would even see it. C chord, glows. And C. All of the others reindeer. Still on C, used to laugh and call him G chord names. And G. They never let poor Rudolph. Still on G, playing any reindeer game. C chord. Then we go to F. Then 1 for G, C, Christmas Eve. D minor, center, G, King 2, C, say. And G, Rudolph with your nose so bright. And D, won't you guide my G sleigh tonight? Back to C. Then how the reindeer, C, loved him. And C, as they shouted out with G, glee. And G, Rudolph the red-nosed, G, reindeer. Still on G, you go down in history. C chord. And end. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.